Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to create Barbie Selfie poster. So in order to do that, let's head over to our browser of your choice. And once you're there, just search for Barbie Selfie.ai. It's typed like this, and then search for it. Let's wait for it to load. And then you can see in here the Barbie Selfie generator. Just scroll down until you can see the start. So this is a promotion for the Barbie the movie that's launching this year. So let's click on the start. And then you can take or upload a photo of yourself. But for me, since I've already put something, so just upload a photo. So let's upload the photo. And this is the photo that I want to use. So let's click on continue. Then this will edit our photo for us. So you can actually resize it on whatever you want and customize it. You can reposition your selfie. So let's try repositioning it. By clicking this up, the photo will go up. But if I want to shrink this down, since as you can see this is very big, I can just click on this right here and adjust it. So click on this until the photo has become like this. So let's click on this again in order to have. So you can bring it down or bring it right, bring it left, bring it up like this. So for me, I will just remain it like that. And then after that, you can also click this pencil icon in here. So this pencil icon will let you edit this font right here. So since this is a girl, I will put in here a Barbie. And you can edit this a doctor right here. So I will put in here a K-pop idol. So let's put that like that. And as you can see, the description has already changed. And when you also click this palette icon right here, you can change the color of this. So let's try to use this red right here. And as you can see, it has changed the color. And once you're satisfied with everything, just click on this continue right here. And as you can see, here is the finished product. So let's click on this download right here to download our file. And you can also screenshot it or send it to friends using this. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.